Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. Yeah, we're doing a daily update. I mean, this update, usually in the weekend, it's difficult, all right, and definitely in these market circumstances. I mean, we've talked about this before, right? I mean, the market circumstances right now are just a little bit weird. I mean, overall, of course, the market is still bullish, and we talked about the fundamentals behind that bullish market countless times. So I will not do that again. But if you look at the price right now, I mean, we just had, last week was filled with a lot of fundamental events. So obviously, last week, the start of the week, Monday, we got a big crash, and then another big drop on in the afternoon. Then we had some bullish news with the interest rate, and we had a big hack. So a lot was going on, and right now it really seems like the market is pretty choppy, and overall neutral, or a bit bearish. I mean, you can see the Bitcoin dominance is still dropping, which I think is pretty crazy, but that is because we have some because we have some very strong altcoins, and I'm not sure, but yeah, I mean, Ethereum is holding up a little bit better than Bitcoin. I'm not 100% sure if it is, but you can also see like we're making some lower highs here. So there's yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is not fully bullish anymore on the on the technical side in the short term. All right, it doesn't matter. Fundamentally, it is still bullish. Fundamentally, I still expect bullish momentum before the ETF approval, but not right now. I mean, right now, as you can see right here, the open interest is fairly low. So there's just not a ton of momentum. I mean, it's holiday season, and you have to know that the people who are making the market move are people with a lot of money. Like, sure, retail helped with this move, with this move from the 25th of October to the 6th of December. Retail helped and big traders helped, but in the end, you need a lot of volume and a lot of money. And next week is Christmas. A lot of people are just not trading. All right, so we're probably going to get a sideways moving market. With personally, I'm actually prepared for a bit of bearish momentum. I'm not sure what will happen. I mean, right now, volume is pretty low. So when the volume is pretty low and new capital flows into the markets, which will happen in the next 24 hours, that will make the market move. And it really, I mean, I cannot predict what the people with the capital will do, right? Personally, like I said, I'm prepared for more bearish momentum because I do think that, well, while we're losing momentum here and while we're also making some lower highs here, even though, yeah, I mean, you could also argue we're making higher lows here, but still, I think it's most likely we'll fall back down towards like 40,500, and then depending on that support, we'll either drop down lower to levels below 40,000, which is a possibility. I mean, that's not even the end of the world, I would say. Or we can hold that and just continue to move sideways in this range between 40,500 and 43,000. Those are the two scenarios for me right now. I mean, obviously, I mean, everything is possible from here. I'm just being honest. That's just the reality. A bullish breakout would also be possible, but I would be most surprised if Bitcoin starts rallying up to like 47,000. Then I would be most surprised. If we drop down, I would say, yeah, we saw that coming. that was about to happen at some point of time. All right, but just in general, like I said, I have a little bit of a bearish bias, but just in general, what you should wait for today is some momentum, all right? Because usually if we get momentum in one way, like some strong momentum, some big moves, usually it will continue going that way, all right? Those are my thoughts. We have no big, we have some big economic events next week, but they haven't really made the market move in a long time, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. I do want to spend some time on telling you that down in the description and the pinned comment, you'll find my Signal and Premium group, very useful, especially in market situations like these. But that's up to you to check out. For now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care, and bye.